Hi there, I hope you're well. It's Fabio here from fabrecommendsit.com and I want to welcome you. You must be an affiliate marketer. I don't know how you found your way to this video, but welcome. And if you're looking for less noise and more sales, well, what I'm proposing to put together is a monthly affiliate playbook delivered by mail. So it's going to be a physical newsletter and it's called From Side Hustle to Scale, where you build once, scale smart, and earn repeatedly. So what this newsletter is that I've noticed that with people that I've coached in the past, most people try and affiliate marketing don't fail because it doesn't work. They fail because there's too much noise out there, too many tactics, no clear path. Which AI tool should they use? Which autoresponder should they use? Which other tools should they use? Okay, so that's why I wanted to create a simple monthly newsletter to those that are either doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle or are looking at doing it as a full-time position. And I wanted to make this handwritten and typed out at sometimes, practical, and really focused on one thing, and that is helping you generate real affiliate income. Okay, so each month you'll receive a personal, easy to read letter that breaks down one proven strategy you can implement immediately, tools and opportunities worth your attention, real examples of what's working right now, simple action steps you can complete in under an hour. Okay, so there's no hype, no jargon, and more importantly, no overwhelm. Okay, I believe simplicity is the key to brilliance. Okay, so we're going to keep it simple, focused, so that you can get the results that you deserve. So who is this for? Well, this is for you if you want a simple path to earning commissions. I'm not going to hold any secrets back. I'm going to show you exactly what's worked for me. If you're tired of information overload, then this is definitely for you. If you prefer practical guidance over theory, okay, this is also for you. And if you want to build an income at your own pace, this is definitely for you. Now, if you own other businesses, affiliate marketing is another form of income stream. So as a business owner, I can also show you how to scale your affiliate sales with your current database as well. Okay. And my promise to you is very simple. Every issue will move you closer to your next commission. Okay. That's providing you take action. Okay. So I'll do my part and you'll definitely need to do your part, but I'm here to support you. So what's it going to cost? Well, I thought as a founding subscriber, if you join up in the next month or so, you're only going to pay $19 per month. Okay, so this is for a physical newsletter, which is going to be delivered to you wherever you live in the world. Okay, and sometimes there may be some video content that I will put up, but I'm going to send it to you in a USB. Okay, so you're going to save at least $20 per issue, and you can cancel anytime. So this is only for founding subscribers at the moment, and it won't. I'm pretty sure I'll be taken up on this offer, very quickly, and I will have to put the price up to the $39 a month, which I'm planning to do very soon. Okay, so again, you can cancel anytime, and you can keep every issue. If you fill in your details by clicking the link below, I'm going to give you a fast action bonus. Okay, and I've actually forgot to. Let me just type this here. That's better. So it valued at $297. I put a course together called High Ticket Commissions Made Easy Workbook. Okay, and there I take you through a masterclass. I think it goes for about an hour and a half on how to make high ticket affiliate commissions. Okay, and you'll find it a very valuable resource in itself, just a masterclass alone. I support you with a workbook as well, so that you can follow along the training and jot your ideas down. So I definitely recommend that you print this workbook off, and also a list of resources that you can use for your affiliate marketing tools. Okay. What I've also included is a surprise bonus. One of my surprise bonuses, which is a 45-minute strategy call, and that's valued just under $500 for you. We'll just get together, and there is no pressure here. Sales. I'm not going to try to sell you into anything. It's for me just to help you navigate any problems or challenges you're having, or help you with any ideas on how to make more money through your affiliate marketing. Okay, so there is no strings attached on this one, and that's just under $500 for 45 minutes with me. And so total value $794. And just got to get you to click the link below. I am going to ask for your name, email address, phone number, and also address. Okay, and the reason why I'm going to ask for that is also, not only will you get the information via email on my course, but I'm also going to give you a surprise physical report that I'm going to mail out to you, and this will give you a really good understanding of how I made my first 10K in sales, in affiliate marketing sales. I'm not going to reveal the niche or the niche, depending where you come from in the world. But yeah, if you want a copy of this, as I said, you put in all your details by clicking the link below, and I will send you this physical report. And this will give you a good indication of, how we're going to move forward with the newsletter. And I'm sure you get some great value out of it. So yeah, don't wait. Click the link below, and I look forward to sending you your physical report. Thank you so much.